Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NI AVS Home School. This is Fatematuj Johora, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for the students of class 8, and our today's topic is discussion about the assignment. It is assignment number 3. Before doing the assignment, you have to follow the YouTube class because it will help to do the assignment nicely, and if you follow the instruction properly, then you will get the excellent. Okay, dear student, let's start our today's class. Here it is topic assignment number 3. Okay, it is lecture number 3. Both are 3 here. Now start here. It is the main task. Okay, assignment task is what should I do in the COVID-19 situation. That means what should you do? What is the duty of you during this COVID-19 situation? It is most related with our today's situation and the going on situation, contemporary world. It is very similar to the contemporary world. Yes. Now, dear students, here are some hints. You have to follow these all hints to solve this task. Okay. The first thing is this: the importance of social service in the light of Quran and Hadith. Okay, dear students, you have to solve these all hints with the help of this chapter number 4 of your book, lesson number 1, 2, 3 and 4. With the help of this lesson, you have to solve these hints, all give the answer of these hints, and it will fulfill the task, this task. Okay, here types of akhlaq are here, you know. So you have to describe the types of akhlaq, and what types of akhlaq are include here: patience, brotherhood, dignity of women, social service. All these things are included. But what kind of akhlaq? Okay, here. So first hint is the importance of social service in the light of Quran and Hadith. So you have to give the importance of social service. Okay, and number 2, a list of the help will be needed in the COVID situation. You have to make a list of help, what will be the needed during this situation. Okay, and number 3, you have to do a plan how you will collect money. Understand? You have to do or make a plan how you will collect money to help the people, to help the community during this kind of situation. Okay, number 4, you have to write that how to spend the collected money to help the community. So in instruction, you have to write over there that in instruction that how you will collect money to help the community during this kind of situation. Of course, these lessons will help you to solve these 2 problems, but these 2 are you have to do yourself with the light of this lesson. All these lesson with the light of this lesson, you have to do it yourself. There should be individuality and creativity within these 2 hints. Understand? And here you are allowed that you know that you are allowed to take help from the internet and subject teacher, your parents, you know it before. Now you should maintain within the writing, you should maintain the assignment or the task should be 200 words. Within 200 words or minimum 200 words you have to present, or your presentation should be in minimum 200 words, and assignment should be written in your own hand, you know it before. And here the suitable quotation of Quran and Hadith should be written in Arabic. Those girls or boys who will write in Arabic the quotation, they will get the excellent. Okay, here so you have to maintain the suitable quotation from Quran and Hadith. Okay, then next, logical analysis should be over there. Individuality and creativity must be over there, because without individuality and creativity you are not able to do these 3 and 4 hints, solve this here. And last, accuracy spelling and syntax. That means you have to present accurate spelling or should be over there, and syntax also. Syntax should be correct, spelling should be correct. You should be careful about this. If you follow all the instruction, maintain these all the instruction, then you will get excellent. To do the assignment, if you need any help or any kind of discussion, you can contact your subject teacher through the a live class. And dear students, I hope that you have understood today's lesson or today's assignment by following this YouTube class. And here is your assignment. It is also shown in your YouTube class. You can see it in your YouTube class. You can find it. Okay, here is I have described and I have give it easily that how you will do the task. And here you task, you know it is also given it here. Okay, that's all for today. Dear students, I hope that you have understood your today's lesson. If you have any query, any question, anything, you can ask the subject teacher to the live class, and do the assignment nicely. Shoot individuality over there. Okay, the all things should not be from the book, but also from your own knowledge also. The presentation should be from your knowledge also, some of these. If you are able to present all the things nicely, you will get excellent. Thanks all for all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.